हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल टेक निंजा बी टेक्निकल। आज हम मशीन लर्निंग के कुछ एमसीक्यू डिस्कस करेंगे जो एकेटीव में पूछा गया है। व्हाट इज ट्रू अबाउट मशीन लर्निंग? ऑल द अबव ऑप्शन आर करेक्ट। ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज करेक्ट। मशीन लर्निंग इज फील्ड ऑफ एआई consisting of learning improve their performance at executing some task over time with experience. All the above is correct answer. P not Q is not dash. Option number B, horn clause. It is not a horn clause. The action dash of a robot arm specify place block A on block B. Option number A, stack A, B is correct. Question number 5. A dash begins with hypothesizing a sentence with symbol as in successively predicting lower level constituent until individual preterminal symbols are returned. Option number C, top down cursor is correct. Question number 6. A model of language consists of categories which does not include B. Structural unit does not include in language. Different learning method does not include A. Introduction never include in learning method. The model which is trained with data in one single batch is called. Both batch learning and offline learning both are correct. Which of the following are ML method? Option number A, based on human supervision is correct. In model-based learning, an iterative process takes place on ML method that are built based on various model parameters called hyperparameter. Option number C is correct. Which of the following is a widely used and effective machine learning algo based on idea of bagging? Option number D, random forest work on idea of bagging. Find minimum or maximum function, we set gradient to 0 because option number A is correct. The value of gradient at extrema of function is always 0. Which of the following is disadvantage of decision tree? Option number C, decision tree are prone to overfit. This is a disadvantage of decision tree. How do you handle such missing corrupted data in dataset? Option number D, all the above. We can drop all the missing row and column or replace missing values by another values or make unique category to unique category, like put place null in place of missing value. All the above is correct. Option number D. When performing regression or classification, which of the following is a correct way to process the data? Option number A. First of all, we normalize the data, then do principal component analysis function, then train data, and then predict. Option number A is correct. Which of the following statement about regularization is not correct? Option number D. None of the above is correct. Option number D. Which of the following technique are not used for normalization in text mining? Stop word removal. Option number C is not used in text mining. Data points. Which of the following cases will k-means clustering fail to give good result? Option number D, all the above. Data points with outliers, data points with different density, data points with convex shape. Option number D is correct. Which of the following is reasonable way to select number of principal component k? Option number A, choose k to be smallest value so that at least 99% of variance is retained. Option number A is correct. Question number 20. In which sentence parts are typically used for? Option number B. It is used to parse sentence to derive their most likely syntax tree structure. Option number B is correct. Question number 21. Which of the following is widely used and effective machine learning algo based on idea of bagging? Random forest. This is already discussed. To find minimum or maximum of function which set gradient to 0 because the value of gradient at extrema of function is always 0. Option number A. It is also discussed. The most widely used matrix and tool to access classification model are confusion matrix, cost sensitive accuracy, area under ROC curve. All are correct because we all use all these metrics. Which of the following is good test data set? Option number C. Large data set enough to yield meaningful result is representative of data set as a whole. Option number C. Both A and B are correct. 25. Disadvantage of decision tree. Option number C. Decision tree are prone to overfit. अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स so that this give me motivation to make more and more videos.